Good morning, guys. So this morning we have an agave. It's kind of cool looking, actually. Oh, it's got two leaves that will split apart soon. See that? So there's that. And then this agave had a baby. And then this baby had a baby. But check it out. That's part of what I wanted to show you. This is a baby Palo Verde tree, and it's growing right out alongside the agave. This one, yeah, look at how bright green, almost blue. The stems, branches are almost blue. It's a baby. So agave and Palo Verde together are helping each other out.